tires are quite fatty so that it has more friction with the road.
I'm against the headwind, but still getting 31 miles an hour.
This could be the best brakes I've got on any bike, really.
The Himiway is using Samsung cells.
Dude, this thing's killing it.
Rocks and drops on the trail have rattled me pretty good in the past, but were more bearable with the Cruiser. The fat tire seemed to punch through anything I threw at it, and the front alloy suspension fork, which can be locked and adjusted, helped in dampening small drops and bigger rocks. And as far as cruising around town, it would be hard to find a smoother ride for this price range.
It just doesn't care. It goes over everything. You just go for it. You don't even feel it. Look, dirt road. You don't even feel it. It's so stable. So freaking stable at 22 miles an hour is insane. Yeah, so stable. Look, it's like a motorcycle. Let's see if we jump this one. Oh yeah, we made that one. Oh, this one is easy. Just blip the throttle before you get to it, and it just goes on top. I have this bike for 20 miles, 20.6 miles on the dash, and I don't even know it right, and it still feels great. It feels really good. Wow, grass, whatever, just goes over it. Let's try stairs. A tank.
If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a message in the comment section or stop by our website at www.himiwaybike.com. Until next time, stay safe and happy riding.